See, I'd say anything starting from Series A, right? Series A funded companies is a good place because what one is seeing is that a lot of Series A companies also have good product setups right now. So it's not important to go after a biggie. Uh, there's nothing wrong with that, but there's nothing wrong with startups as well. But just ensure that it's a company which is in news for the good reasons, and has a product setup which is already there. And in the sense, it's not a new thing that they are setting up. So the a contradiction could be that you enter into a new fintech that has been able to raise a lot of money but does not have a product function yet, because sometimes fintech startups work very differently. पैसा पहले आ जाता है, बाकी सारी चीजें बाद में होती रहती. That's it. I'm not saying that a bigger organization should be a mandate. Just an established product team should be the mandate.